Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing OOTDs, my favorite outfits for the summer. Starting off with this flowy dress from Kohl's. I think I bought most of my dresses from Kohl's. They had a wide selection of dresses, and I paired this up with a Caslon puffer sandal and a straw hat. What I love about this dress is that it's very forgiving and it's sleeveless without making my shoulders look big. Next off, you can't go through summer without shorts. I love these shorts. They have kind of like a corduroy feel to them, and they are from Target. It pairs super nicely with the top from Nordstrom Rack. This has to be one of my favorite rompers because it's cinched at the ankle and it just gives you that lift and curve that you need. And the best part is this romper is from Shein, so it's super affordable. Next one is kind of like a t-shirt dress. I love the casual feel this has, and also it pairs really well with any slip-on shoes like Tom's. Also, this dress has pockets, so it's very convenient, and it's from Nordstrom Rack. It's another outfit with shorts. I love wearing shorts in the summertime. Black shorts and white top is such a classic. I brought two sandals on our trip, the Steve Madden studded sandal and the Caslon puffer sandals, and I think either one was amazing with this outfit. I am so bummed that I didn't get to wear this on vacation, but I did wear it to church the other day, and I love this dress. You can't go through summer without a maxi dress. This has a very thin strap, like a spaghetti strap, so I like to pair it with a cardigan or a cropped cardigan. This has to be my favorite for long drives and travel. The top and bottom are both from Old Navy. The bottom is what I really like because it has that jogger style. It's cinched at the ankle, so it gives that jogger feel, but also the polyester and spandex blend really gives it an airy, comfortable feel. Also, these mules go so well with this outfit. I think this outfit will go really well both in the summertime and leading into the fall season. So that is everything in this video. I hope you enjoyed all of these outfit ideas for the summer. I definitely used all of these outfits during my vacation other than the maxi dress, but comment down below which one is your favorite. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!